Hi everyone! Do you know jeon? Jeon means Korean pancakes. There are many kinds of jeon in Korea. If you use kimchi for the main ingredient, it becomes kimchi pancake. And if you put vegetables, it becomes vegetable pancake. I'm gonna make a Korean seafood pancake with green onions. Korean 해물파전. It is also popular with the foreigners. The seafood. Especially, I'll make two versions today, original and easy to cook. So, please watch this video till the end and give me likes and subscribes. Let's get started. First, I put some pancake mix on green onions. It's for sticking to the dough. Put 2 cups pancake mix, 1.5 cups of water. Stir it gently with chopsticks to prevent gluten. And put into the seafoods you like. And then mix well together. This is a well-heated pan. Add enough oil. Spread the dough thin and roundly. Green onions, sliced red peppers, and egg water on it. It's beautiful. If you don't have red pepper, you can use paprika. It's for color. Move the dough to coat the oil well. The bottom is crisp. I'm gonna turn over this. Shall we make it easier this time? Put all the ingredients into the dough and mix them. That's all. Make it the size you want. High heat and enough oil is good. Add the oil. And look, she cut the oil. This is crispy and rich. The fresh scent of seafood is alive. Yummy. If you wanna eat more delicious, put chopped onions, 청양고추 or jalapeno, and red pepper into the sauce. It's really awesome.